Welcome to Medical Globe e-learning. This is Hafsa Mubin from FMDC and we are doing Unit 5 of Physiology. This is chapter 31. It's about acid-base regulation. From this chapter, from this whole unit, there will be 2 SEQs and 8 MCQs in your paper. Now coming towards our first topic. This topic is just for your reading. You have to make your concepts from here and do this MCQ point. This is just for your reading. You have to understand this for your concepts. Again, this is not important. You can leave this. This is also not that much important. Now, this is the SEQ, defense against changes in the hydrogen concentration. Like, what are the major buffer systems of the body? This is an important SEQ and it has been a past UQ. So you have to summarize all upcoming topics, different systems like bicarbonate buffer system. This is an SEQ. You have to write about bicarbonate buffer system, and this blue box is just for your concepts, and this blue box is not important. You can leave this whole page. Now is this MCQ point, the importance of bicarbonate buffer system. Next is phosphate buffer system. This is again important for your SEQ. And proteins, intracellular buffers, this is again important SEQ. Now is this blue box. This is not important. You don't have to read that. Coming towards next system of hydrogen ion regulation, this is respiratory regulation. This is again important SEQ. You have to summarize all the buffer systems. This is important for your SEQ, and some important points regarding MCQs are highlighted. This is again MCQs wise important. This is important in that respiratory buffer system. You have to write this in as SEQ, and these are 2 MCQ points. Next is the renal control of acid-base system, like renal buffer system. This is also SEQ. You have to write this text in that SEQ, and this is important for your MCQ. These diagrams are showing different mechanisms which are undergoing in the kidney for buffering. So this is the MCQ point, and this diagram is important in understanding the mechanism of renal buffer system. This is about the reabsorption of bicarbonate. This is an important figure for your MCQs. This is again MCQs, and next this all underlined text is for your reading, for your concepts. This is again for your concepts, and this is again MCQ point. Next is this diagram. This is active secretion of hydrogen, which has a role in the buffer system in regulation of pH. You have to do this diagram. For your concepts, you have to read this text. For your concepts, this is again combination of the excess hydrogen with phosphate and ammonium buffers. This first paragraph is for your concepts. You just have to read this. And this phosphate buffer system, this is individual SEQ, and this is the diagram. This is important for your SEQ. And next is the ammonium buffer system. This is again SEQ. You have to do the diagram and the underline important text for your SEQ. This is continuation of that ammonia buffer system. You have to do this topic. Next is the quantifying renal acid-base secretion. Next is quantifying renal acid-base secretion. This topic is for your concept. You just have to read this topic for your concepts. This is continuation of that topic. You have to read this. Now this is important for your MCQs. This table is important. Now is the renal correction of acidosis. This is again important topic. You have to make your concepts from this first topic. Acidosis decreases bicarbonate and hydrogen ratio. This is important concept, and this table is important for your MCQs, for your concepts. You have to memorize this. This is very important. Now this whole text is important for your concepts. You have to read this. Now are the causes of the respiratory alkalosis, metabolic acidosis, and different types of pH abnormalities and their causes. This is important for your SEQ. This is the flow sheet, which is very important for your MCQs points and for your Viva. This is very important. Now this is not important. You can leave this, and this is very important for MCQs. These are very important causes. This is important. That's all about this chapter. For more practice of MCQs and SEQs, you can consult Medical Globe Crackbook. Thank you.
Medical Globe introduces its series of successful publications. MBBS Cracks, the benchmark of all, containing all the chapter-wise questions of prime importance, all annual and subtly solved university questions, questions to ace your vivas, chapter pearls, and of course, we have incorporated all the labeled and histologic and anatomic models in high resolution for your distinction level OSCE preparations. Medical Globe has also launched a gem in the medical world to master every concept for your multiple choice questions, the MCQ Cracks, encompassing UHS, NAMS, and many others, revealing the UHS MCQ rank, your practice MCQs, and topic-wise MCQs. Get your MCQ and the MBBS Cracks at your doorstep by placing your order at 0335 66 33007.